Now, when you have pigmentation like myself, or you've got, slightly two-tone skin, darker around the forehead, mouth, lighter across the cheeks, and you can really kind of see a difference between the skin tones. Sometimes it's better to use two foundations. So I am going to go in with a lighter foundation just through the center to brighten, something slightly warmer and darker through the perimeter of the face, just to kind of even me out and just give the most natural effect. Starting off with golden, this is the Bobbi Brown foundation stick, and just almost do a little bit of a T. Go over the cheeks. And I love this foundation because it's not too heavy. Even for a stick foundation, it's quite lightweight, very, very blendable, and it does last. And then I've got warm almond. And this one here, can you see how it just blends it a lot better through my slightly darker areas? But what's cool about this is that you can use it as a slight kind of bronze contour for the face. Now you can go straight in with a clean foundation brush. If you want it to be a little less coverage, or if you want it to be a little bit more dewy, spray it with a little bit of setting spray. But I'm going to start off and I'm just going to blend. The lighter color is really evening me out nicely through the center. I'm just going to go here. And now I'm going to go over the darker shades. You can see that they're drastically different in color from the center to the outside, but they blend perfectly. And when doing your base, you really want to try and get something that's going to look as natural as possible and even you out. Now with the brush, I'm just going all over, so you kind of merging the colors together. Now look at that. The two colors were really different. You had your warm almond, which is very warm, and then you had your golden. But then look. So don't be afraid to use two different colors, something to brighten, something to even, blend them together. It will work. And it's so natural. You don't feel like you've got anything on the skin, which is nice.